And I don't know why I'm pulling this way.
Oh, it feels so good in here.
And it's push in. I play too much. It's childish.
We have 4 o'clock appointments. We was trying to see if you have anything earlier.
What is your room number? 3208 and 3109.
It's raining. We have spa treatments for 4.
It's 12.
What time is it now?
11:06.
Okay, 12.
Yeah, 12 will be fine. Okay, thank you.
So we've changed our spa treatment since our tour ended early because of rain. We won't have to wait till 4.
Huh? Dinner at 6.
Oh, it's no scheduled dinner.
Okay.
Y'all are free for the rest of the day.
Okay, well we just changed our spa appointments to 12.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go
Get that over.
Okay, that part.
Put my swimsuit on.
Yeah, I finally get to put it on.
Look, I get to put a swimsuit on. Cause I mean, you can't come to Mexico and not wear a swimsuit at all. Come on now. So that's what we doing. The rain ain't stopping nothing.
But they still headed to the pool.
Yep. Look, they still walking to the pool. It is so many restaurants around here. And they all have different hours. If only I would just... Yeah, this one looks like it's a Mexican. Oh, they're doing something. Keep in mind, family, this is a new resort. This resort opened.
It's been open for a year.
It opened in February and then COVID shut it down in March. Then it reopened. I think this is. COVID reopened it in July, so it hasn't even officially been a year. So they're still...
I was trying to see if that little spot was open so I could have went down there and done that.
These rooms are weird. Your room is on a, I don't know, whatever.
I'm on 3.
If I budgeted it right, this is my room.
Yeah, that should be your room. And then I go up and go down.
Hey, Debbie. What you finna get into?
They cleaned my room already, but I'm gonna ask for more water since I had such a hard time yesterday getting it.
Oh, yeah. They got a button that you're supposed to mash on the wall to get it.
It took 8 hours yesterday.
Oh, wow. They haven't got to my room yet.
Yeah, I saw her.
Huh?
They weren't there, so. Oh, can I get more avocado? What's the other? 3114.
Whew. Hey family, it rained. So I had a spa treatment scheduled for 4 o'clock. And they are somewhat giving us a free day, so I changed my spa. Can't talk. Changed my spa. I still can't talk. I changed my spa treatment till 12. And that way, my evening, she said, we don't have a mandatory dinner or anything. We're free for the rest of the day. So, we will get to see something. Yeah. Day 3, and we still have rain. What's up, fantastic family? I'm headed downstairs to the spa. I changed my treatment time since it's raining. So, headed down there now. Take y'all with me.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bree, I really appreciate you and I love you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you see this video. One of you guys send her this video. And if y'all send her a clip, let her know I told her I fucking love her. And that she rocks and that I see her going really far in life. So, I can't even be mad at you no more. You're doing your thing, I'm doing my thing. And I just hope shit is going good for you. Like, honestly. And one day, we may cross paths again and things go completely different than it did from the first time. But it's still more shit to say, but my camera's rolling and I know I'm gonna run out of storage soon. So only thing I can say is thank you so much guys for watching and tuning in. For the people who've been commenting on my old videos, telling me to vlog again and I need to drop a vlog and all this other stuff. Thank you, because I really just needed some encouragement. Like, and I've been wanting to do this video for so long, like I said at the beginning of this video, so I'm glad I got the opportunity to do this video. To just say sorry and I apologize and let's get this motherfucking money together and that's just that. But
Watching the official Santana, her and Stripper Life of Bree have apologized to each other. I changed swimsuit. My other swimsuit, my whole stomach was out. I was like, I ain't gonna do it. No, it was out. It's like a top and a bottom, but it's connected on the side. I kept getting the wedges, so I took it off. But now I say one of my new swimsuits, one of them I can't fasten by myself in the bed. And I say one of my new swimsuits for the cave. You say you going to the cave?
Yeah. And I forgot to check out tomorrow. I sold off on
the caves used to have swimming pools there too.
Huh? Yes, that's right. 3208 and 3109. It's 2. Yes.
Yes, 2 from say 208 and 2 from say 109.
It was just one. It was just one of each.
Okay, perfect. So please tell me to take it for the height. And in one moment, my coworker is coming for you.
Okay.
Hola, tenemos una reservación a las 12 para 2 personas. En la 4211. A nombre de Carla.
Oh, this too wet.
Those bracelets.
There's a number on here. Yeah, I can't see that.
Check one time.
Here, do mine, because I can't see this. Yeah, I think they're going to be along.
Today we have the release at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
What time?
2 o'clock?
2 o'clock? Can I see you to the facility?
Yes, of course.
It's upstairs? Oh.
Although it's raining, if it don't come down too bad.
Yeah, I'm going to go to the pool too. But I should have got my tag. That little girl you said got a scrunch face. Is she here by herself?
I think so. Yeah, she had a face one too. I got a 1 o'clock, a 1 o'clock webinar.
That's cool. I'm going to go get my tag. You think I got time? Why? I don't know worry about it. Yeah, see, they do it so differently. At resorts, they have a tile cabana where you walk up and get a tile.
And they should have one.
But they had them in your room. They coming out with their tiles. And show this to your pastor.
We gotta stay cold ready.
So they got a pool up here.
We finna see.
Her haircut cute. Everybody got their towel. Excuse me. Do I need to go back? Do I need to go to my room and get my towel? Do I need to go to my room and get my towel?
Yes, of course.
I need my.
No.
You have towels here?
Yes, we have towels here. We have everything that you need.
Okay.
Sorry, I understand in the other room.
Somebody posted on Facebook in the group today. Said they got a group of so many single men that want to be at a resort where they're in Punta Cana. I look at me with my eyes. I said, let me book my room for when the single guys. Everybody was like, let me know, because I'm going to book a group of single ladies. pack my stuff up tonight.
Huh?
I'm gonna pack my stuff tonight.
Yeah. So we gotta be down in the lobby at 12 with our stuff.
I said, let me make sure I get my purse so I can have some tip on it. Girl, I was looking at my business bank account. And I forgot today the 15th, I had a deposit for some insurances that I sold.
Okay,
That's why I like selling the insurance, because even if I ain't getting paid for the trip, I can get paid for the... Hey. Say hey. I wasn't filming y'all, but... Where you guys from?
She's from Spain and I'm from Mexico.
From what she say?
From Mexico. Mexico.
Cool.
Inside of the facility, we cannot make videos. But you know, he said he'll be back.
What's up, family? I'm in the spa bathroom. Supposed to be having some spa treatments today. They told me I couldn't bring my camera, no video recording, so I'm getting a little sneak peek. But we're in the bathroom, waiting. They got like a Buddha thing. Those are the lockers. There's a shower. And then there's some down there. So we're just waiting. I don't know. You know, there's a language barrier. So I'm not sure if we're supposed to be out there or what. But yeah, I really want to take you out with my treatment, but they said it's a no-no and I don't want to get kicked out. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye. I'm at the beach. Not at the beach, I'm at the spa. I just went there and took my camera. I ain't supposed to. Huh? I ain't ex, I just went in there and grabbed it. And I just grabbed it and started going with it.
It's not doing it.
I said I didn't ask him anything, I just got it. You say you want hydro massage? Woo! I'm at the spa.